Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe. If to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and big up to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. So a Jamaican pastor recently just delivered a sermon during a funeral ceremony, and immediately after the sermon he falls down and faints. This is the video. Let's look at the video and then we get back to analyze it.
My mind. I want to be in heaven, says the MP. I'm sorry, but we have our rules. And with that, Peter escorts him to the elevator, and he goes down and down and down to hell. The doors open. He finds himself in the middle of a green golf course. In the distance is a clubhouse, and standing in front of it are all his friends and other politicians who had worked with him. Everyone is happy and in neat dresses. They run to greet him, shake his hand, and they reminisce about the good times they had getting rich at the expense of the people. They play a friendly game of golf and then dine on lobster, caviar, and champagne. Also present is the devil. He's a very friendly and nice guy who has a good time dancing and telling jokes. They're all having such a good time that before he rises, it's time to go. Everyone gives him a hearty farewell and wave while the elevator rises. The elevator goes up, and the door reopens in heaven, where St. Peter's waiting for him. Now it's time to visit heaven. So 24 hours pass with the MP joining a group of contented souls, move from cloud to cloud, playing the harp and singing. I guess that's what they do in heaven. They have a good time. And before he realizes the 24 hours have gone by and St. Peter returns. Well then, you have spent a day in hell and a day in heaven. Now choose your eternity. The MP reflects for a minute. Then he answers, well, I would never have said it before. I mean, heaven has been good and delightful, but I think I would be better off in hell. So St. Peter escorts him to the elevator and he goes down and down to hell. The doors of the elevator open and he's in the middle of a barren land, covered with waste and garbage. He sees his friends dressed in rags, picking up trash and putting them in black bags as more trash falls from above. The devil comes over to him and puts his arm around his shoulder. I do not understand, stammers the MP. Yesterday I was here, and there was a golf course and a clubhouse, and we ate lobster and caviar and drank champagne and danced and had a great time. Now there's just a wasteland and my friends look miserable. What happened? The devil looks at him, smiles and says, yesterday we were campaigning. Today you voted. Friends, I pray that we will make the right choice. To recognize that Jesus is the good shepherd of our souls. And each of us, in whatever sphere of life we are called to display shepherding, caring qualities so that men and women can see the good work that we do and bring honor and glory to our Father. So that when we will have passed through this life, our lives will be celebrated as we are now celebrating Norma's life. So, may we embrace the reality of being known and loved by the shepherd, responding to his sacrificial love with lives marked by trust, obedience, and a deepening intimacy with one who knows us completely. Amen.
No. So this has been the video, guys. The man in cloth, guys, had delivered a sermon in front of some of the prominent people, one of them being the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and other people. And in the message, it was kind of a cryptic message. It was not direct. He was talking about an MP, and I was talking about several things. The message was not that straightforward, and he touched on campaign. It's like during the campaign period, you know, this is a period of campaigning period in Jamaica, and there are a lot of politicians campaigning for themselves. Some appear to be what they mean, but in real sense they are like wolves in sheep's clothing. They are hiding their hidden selves. So he was talking about an elevator, an MP who was in an elevator and he was going to heaven and hell, something of the sort. The message is kind of cryptic. It's not straightforward. So immediately after the message, and the preacher falls down. There are some people who are saying that, you know, in Jamaica, it's very funny. Anything that happens, some tend to just lay the blame on Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, which is not the case always. There are some things that just occur like that, and then they lay the blame on Andrew Holness. So Andrew Holness was there, and it was just abruptly, and from the video you can see most of the people are surprised. There's one even fellow who puts his hand on his mouth, showing that it came as a big surprise. The one of the bodyguards of Andrew Holness came up, and they went to see what was taking place. So this has been the video. It is very unfortunate. We don't know. I don't know the exact church, but it appears to be either a Catholic church or an Orthodox church from my perception, because they are the people who believe in, I think, purgatory, because they are talking of moving up and down and some sort of. What is your take on this video? It is very unfortunate. At times, some people may deliver a strong message or an important message and then end up going away. So you never know. I don't know exactly if the person in cloth delivered that message and passed away or just fainted. So this has been the video for today. Cheers, guys. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Until next time, God's blessings.